Welcome to 3D Printed or Real, Episode 1. Here's the deal. We've got a lineup of delicious looking foods, but one is a fake. 3D printed to trick you. There will be 6 20-second rounds, and all you have to do is spot the 3D printed food. Look for odd textures or unnatural smoothness, like the texturing on the top of this orange. Each round gets harder. Plus, there will be one mystery round, where none of the items are 3D printed. Are you ready? Round 1 is now over. Do you have your guess? Good. Now write it down and the answers will be revealed at the end of this video. Round 2 will commence in... Oh wait, that's actually a kind of cool word to say. Commence. Okay. Anyways, round 2 will commence in 3, 2, 1. Round 2 is now over. Got your guess? Great. Now time to move on to round 3. Round 3 is now over. The items will be getting a lot harder to discern, so be vigilant. Round 4 is now over. I can't wait to see how you guys did. Assuming you post your answers down in the comments. Round 5 coming up. Round 5 is now done. It is starting to get really hard, isn't it? Round 6 is finished. One more to go. Okay guys, time to check your answers. Number 1. The correct answer was the egg, the cooked one, not the one that's still in its shell. Number 2. The correct answer was the Biscoff cookie in the top left. By the way, it is a crime to not know what they are, so you better know what they are. Number 3. The correct answer was the piece of highly processed looking cheese. I'm actually so glad this wasn't real. Number 4. This was the mystery round, so none of the items were 3D printed. Number 5. The correct answer was the perfectly symmetrical mushroom. Yeah. Number 6. The correct answer was the stick of butter. It looks pretty good, doesn't it? I mean, not taste-wise, looks-wise. I don't want to just take a bite out of a stick of butter. Number 7. The correct answer was the candy cane. That one I won't blame anyone for getting wrong. It looks so good.